Hi everyone, here we go. Activity 5, 20 questions. Just a couple things I'll teach you quick that you need to do in order to do some of the formatting. So first, the directions tell you to do single spacing versus double spacing. You want the single spaced. Easiest way to do it is just click here and then go to line space. See, I'm already set at 2.0. That means double space. We want it at 1.0. But if you click this, sometimes it won't make it a true single space. So go to line spacing options, and we always want to click this. Don't add space between paragraphs the same style. Line spacing this is where you can do double, single. Okay, if we want single, click OK. So all that means is when you type, it puts it directly below on the next line instead of leaving a space like this instead of that. Okay. All right, next thing. Standard bullet or custom bullet. When you need to create a standard bullet or custom bullet, as you know, this is just how you go to your bulleted list, and then I can type here, I hit enter, automatically makes a new bullet. Okay, all you have to do, that's just how you click make a bullet. But if you want to do a custom bullet, you can just click here in your bullet library, and then look, it changes the bullets to little arrows. Okay, boom, 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 boom. But if you wanted to make it anything you want under the sun, you can go to define new bullet. And then you want to click on bullet, and then look, these all can be made into bullets, and all these fonts have different little symbols. So there's like millions here. So I can make anything I want here. I can make this a bullet. So I'll click OK. So it shows up right here. Click OK, and then boom, I made that a bullet too. So that's how I make custom bullets. All right, next, it says to double underline text. That would just be, I'll just say my name, Jonathan. Okay, so I'll just highlight it, and here's some options. See your underline? You can go to the down drop, and you can, there's a bunch of different underlining styles you can use. Okay, so there would be our double underline. Also, it says you're going to need to make something all caps, so check these out. You can click this. That's not what I wanted, this one. See this? Change case. Click the down drop. You can make it all uppercase. You can make it lowercase. Okay? You can tell that doesn't work in that one. But anyway, that's how you do that too. Okay? And then another way you can do it is if you just right click. If you don't have a mouse, that means just a 2-finger click on the mouse pad. Go to font. And then we could go to font, and then you can go to underline style. Here's a bunch more, and then effects. You can do double strike through, like small caps, all caps, kind of like what I just showed you over here. Okay, that's it for activity 5, 20 questions.